Hey, I'm Rusty Brown, and I don't give a damn. A lot of performers try to win you over. I'm not one of those performers.
Hi, I'm Bert. I'm kind of new to the act. I'm a new addition. Ever since Rusty and I fell crazy in love. About 2 weeks ago, isn't that right, Rusty?
Be quiet. I'd like to pay tribute tonight to one of my idols, a man who most of you ignorant savages have never heard of. The immortal Hoyt Axton, author of Greenback Dollar.
Hoyt Axton's mother, tragically enough, died in a hot tub.
Hoyt Axton's mother co-authored Heartbreak Hotel for Elvis Presley.
And she also died in a hot tub.
Hoyt Axton was an anti-materialist. That's what I am, an anti-materialist. Hoyt Axton was a protest singer. I'm a protest singer.
And his name was Hoyt Axton. He had to overcome that. Maybe we should just play, because we've only got 5 minutes with which to express your resentment of society.
Wait, 5 minutes? You said we were doing a full set.
Did I? I misspoke.
Wait a second, you lied to me?
Yes, and I've been a bad girl. And you're going to have to spank me, Rusty, but not now. Now it's time to serve up a song.
All I have is my truth. All I can sing is the truth.
Well, if that's all you've got, go with it. I understand. All I've got is my body. The manager only gave us this spot because I had sex with him. I'm just kidding.
Some people say I'm a no count. Others say I'm no good. I'm just a natural born traveling man, doing what I think I should.
Oh boy.
Doing what I think I should. And I don't give a damn about a greenback dollar. I spend it just as fast as I can. 'Cause a wailing song and a good guitar are the only things that I understand.
Oh boy.
The only things that I understand. When I was a little baby, my mama said,
"Hey son, gather what you will, grow to be a man. Sing what must be sung.
Oh Lord.
Sing what must be sung."
And I don't give a damn about a greenback dollar. I spend it just as fast as I can.
Back, motherfucker!
What?
I just thought, I might lift it or something.
What are those like dance moves you're doing?
This is sort of dancing, maybe.
Do you see me dancing?
No, but I thought I might, because I want to kick it a bit. I already feel this, don't you? Yeah.
Now that I'm a grown man,
Big boy.
I've traveled here and there.
Kama Sutra.
I've learned that a bottle of brandy and a song are the only ones who care.
And me.
They're the only ones who care.
I care.
And I don't give a damn about a greenback dollar. I spend it just as fast as I can. 'Cause a wailing song and a good guitar are the only ones who care. Oh Lord, oh boy, oh my.
Yeah.
They're the only ones who care.
Take that! Ladies and gentlemen, this is Rusty Brown.
Nice.
I really feel this, Rusty, don't you feel it? I think this is amazing.
What?
Let's do an encore.
What?
An encore.
You mean an encore?
Yes. We should do a love song.
I don't do love songs.
Oh, come on, Rusty. You're still young.
No, I know what I'll do. If I can remember the chords, there's a song about Ukrainian migrant workers.
No, Rusty, I want a love song.
I don't do bubblegum.
But I love bubblegum. And I am bubblegum. And bubblegum is love, Sticky love. Come on, give us a grow.
Okay, all right. I know what I'll do. She rides up on the white line in the middle of the road.
I like it. It's aggressive.
And she stops at Greasy Charlie's for some mean cake a la mode.
Oh, I love cake.
Her hair falls to her shoulders as she sips her sugar tea. She don't need no tread to go on, 'cause she's riding high on me.
You mean on each other?
She floats around the alley
Floating.
in the middle of the sky.
Yeah.
And she lights up on a beehive for some honeysuckle pie.
I don't know what.
Her eyes float up to heaven, where she's never gonna be.
Excuse me?
She don't need no cloud to ride on, 'cause she's riding high on me.
Oh, fuck this.
She rolls around the alley in the middle of my
Like a
mind.
scurrying little rodent.
And she steals some silver dollars, leaving paper ones behind.
Yeah, call some a thief.
Her life may be uncertain, but it's all she gets for free. She ain't in it for the ride, no, 'cause she's riding high on me. She don't need no cloud to ride on, 'cause she's riding high on me. She ain't in it for the ride, no, 'cause she's riding high on me. What the hell are you doing?
It's very touching, Rusty.
Thank you.
She's riding high on me. That's a love song to oneself. You fucking narcissist!
What?
Men! You take full advantage of my tender little heart. You take full advantage of my tender little heart. And then you go adios back across the border to man world.
Are you getting insecure?
Yes.
Because you know how you get when you get insecure.
I attack. Bird attack.
That's right. We talked about this. What did we say?
You said keep it on the stage.
That's right.
Leave the insecurity in the dressing room.
Very good, very
Leave it in the dressing room.
Well, that was the encore.
Do you care about me, Rusty?
Of course I do. Bert.
No, you don't.
Okay.
Don't put a little clay out there. I need to know that you're devoted to my well-being. You tell me that you are devoted to my well-being.
Did you eat?
I don't remember.
I don't think you ate.
You want me to bite you?
I gotta take her
You
home.
fucking tea party.
She gets funny when she hasn't eaten.
We gave you an encore. We put our asses on a piece of toast and we served it to you like hummus.
Say goodnight.
Rusty, I love you.
You need to remember to eat.
Okay, can we get some chicken or something?
Sure. Rusty and the Birdman.
No.